Everyone knows to be financially successful, you need to have financial skills. But what most people don't know is that rich people use a specific set of skills to maximize their success. This video isn't about crunching numbers. It's about changing your life, $1 at a time. Let's embark on a journey to discover the 9 secrets rich people use to achieve financial success as quickly as possible. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to transform your life forever. We all get impulses to buy those shiny new gadgets, but impulse purchases can be the #1 cause of financial stress. The simple solution is following the simple percent rule, an effective way to stop spontaneous spending. The rule is simple. Wait a day before you buy anything that costs more than 1% of your yearly income. For example, if you earn $60,000 a year, wait 24 hours before buying anything over $600. Take the case of Tommy, a tech enthusiast, who makes $90,000 a year. Tom was tempted to buy a new $1,000 iPhone. Remembering the simple percent rule, he waited 24 hours and realized he was happy with his current phone and didn't need the new model. This rule helped Tom save money and avoid unnecessary debt. The next secret is the most essential tool on your path to financial freedom. Budgeting is like drawing a map for your finances. It's about understanding where your money is going and steering it towards your goals. Consider the story of Sarah, a freelance graphic designer. Overwhelmed by irregular income and mounting bills, Sarah decided to take control. She started by tracking her expenses and categorizing them. Soon, she identified unnecessary expenditures and redirected that money towards an emergency fund and retirement savings. By using budgeting apps, Sarah turned a chaotic financial life into a well-oiled machine, saving her hundreds of dollars per month, proving that a little effort in budgeting goes a long way. The next secret will help you get out of debt and avoid losing money to interest charges. Expensive big-ticket items like electronics or cars are tempting for everyone, but they can also lead to financial strain if not planned for. Saving for these purchases is the winner's approach. Consider Rachel and John, who dreamed of buying a high-end home theater system. Instead of putting it on a credit card, they opened a dedicated savings account and contributed a small portion of their income each month. After a year, they purchased the system outright, avoiding interest charges and the stress of debt. The next secret is essential if you want to be financially successful for years to come. Almost all wealthy people understand the basics of personal finance and investing. Reading finance books and articles on an ongoing basis can provide invaluable insights that last a lifetime. Take Alex, for example, who knew little about investing. By reading finance books and following expert blogs, Alex learned about low-cost index funds and started investing a portion of his income. This self-education helped Alex build a robust investment portfolio that will benefit him for years to come. The next secret is being honest about what you need versus what you want. Cutting monthly expenses is the fastest way to free up significant funds for savings and investments. The overlooked truth is that small changes can lead to big savings over time. Mia, a young professional, started by switching to a cheaper phone plan and cutting back on dining out. She also began shopping for groceries in bulk and using energy-efficient appliances. These changes helped Mia save hundreds of dollars each month, which she then redirected into her savings account. The next secret can save you thousands of dollars per year and keep you healthy and energized to take action on your goals. Frequent dining out can be a major drain on your finances. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but also more economical. James, a food enthusiast, decided to challenge himself to cook more meals at home. He planned his weekly meals, shopped for groceries in bulk, and explored new recipes. This not only became a fun hobby, but also saved him a substantial amount of money each month. The next secret is essential if you have any kind of debt. This is the enemy of financial success. Debt can feel like a huge, heavy burden. With a solid plan, it's possible to break free. Prioritizing high-interest debt and creating a repayment plan is key. Lisa, burdened with credit card debt, started by listing all her debts and focusing on paying off the one with the highest interest rate first. She also consolidated her debts to lower interest rates, and made extra payments when possible. Within 2 years, Lisa was debt-free and had improved her credit score significantly. The next secret is about using credit cards to your advantage. Credit cards, when used intentionally and wisely, can be a powerful financial tool. They can help build credit and offer rewards. However, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending. Mark learned this the hard way. After accumulating a large balance, he switched to using credit cards for daily expenses and used his credit card only for planned purchases, which he paid off in full each month. This disciplined approach helped Mark enjoy the benefits of credit cards without falling into debt. Before we share the last secret, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more financial tips and skills to up-wealth your life. Sometimes a radical approach is needed to reset your financial habits. A spending fast, where you stop all non-essential spending for a period, can be a powerful tool. Emily, struggling with frivolous spending, decided to embark on a 1-month spending fast. She only spent money on essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. This experience helped Emily reset her spending habits, save money, and gain a new appreciation for her financial resources.